Hello. So for Saxon today, you should have already done your review cards. And then we are going to look at your student spelling dictionary and reference booklet. Okay. You guys really need to be using these, and it's helpful. I'm going to show you why. Okay. So you should have received one of these. It has your name on it. Okay. Student spelling dictionary and reference booklet. Keep these handy. So let's look first, it's table of contents. So a table of contents tells us everything that's in a book and the page numbers that we can find it. Okay, so spelling dictionary is on page 3. That's the very first page. Let's look. Here it is. We know it's page 3 because it has page 3 down here. So these are words that we commonly need to know how to spell. Second grade. Okay. And it has them, and they are in alphabetical order because it's a dictionary. Okay, spelling dictionary, so it doesn't have definitions, it's just how to spell it. So if you're writing and you're like, oh, I'm going to write about animals, but I'm not quite sure how to spell animals, well, you know, it starts with an A and you can sound it out somewhat, so you can come in here and go that's an N, animal. There you go. And you can copy it down. Okay. Let's look back at, now you should have yours right now. So if you need to go find it, pause and go find it. Has all these irregular spelling words of sounds that we're going to work with. Down here is pronunciation guide. Okay. So that's going to tell you how to pronounce them. So page 40. So let's turn to page 40. Pause if you need to while you get there. Okay, so what this is it tells you how to pronounce them. Yeah, but Miss Hendricks, like that's a little crazy. Yeah, but it's sight words, so we can't go again. What's again? So this tells us how to again. I know. We're gonna get to that in Saxon, okay? But these are your sight words, okay? And then how to pronounce them, okay? Phonics and spelling rules. We've learned some vowel rules. Those are in here. So if you have the word, any word that has the k sound in it, and it's not final position, you can come and they're in order. So here, we've done this one. VC rule, vowel rule 1. A vowel followed by a consonant is short, code it with a breve. Cat, log, sit, tug, wet. We did this in lesson 4. Okay. Lesson 6, we've did this. We didn't talk about these two yet, but vowel that's open, meaning not followed by anything. An open accented vowel is long, code it with a macron. Me. Okay. Lesson 6, we'll learn those later. We have not done silent E yet, but most of us should know the silent E. That's lesson 36. That's a long way away. But we know silent E, we don't say the name, and it makes the vowel say its long name. We haven't done that one yet. This one, we did this one. So when you're spelling and it's cat or keg, kid, milky, packed, you hear that k sound? Here's your K and C spelling rule. A K before E, I, or Y, and a C before A, O, U, or any consonant. We did this in level 8. So here's that page, page 51. There you go. We did this one. Final K, CK after a short vowel. So black, duck, lock. K after a consonant or vowel digraph. Milk, book, week. I don't think we've learned that part yet because we haven't talked about vowel digraphs yet. but we definitely did this part. Okay. CK final position. Let's see. I think that's all we've done in our spelling rules so far. Okay, here's how to divide and label a word. These are our VCCV rules. Napkin, you label your vowels, label your consonants, you split it, put your accent mark. They're short vowels because they're followed by consonants. This was level 9. Then we can pronounce that word. N-ap-k-in, napkin. Okay? We haven't done all these yet. This one goes with this one. Okay, with the accent mark, napkin. We had this word when the accent mark is on the last, inject. Okay, we haven't done the rest yet. Look at this one. Ooh, we're going to learn how to pronounce some big words, guys. So exciting. So these are all just our syllable division rules. Okay. There's lots of great things in here. Look at this spelling dictionary and all these words. And then here's our irregular spelling words. And these are all the things we're going to learn. Okay. So make sure this is handy because I'm going to be talking about it in our lessons from now on. Okay. So keep this with your papers. If you want to keep it in your packet, you can. Okay. Make sure you've done your review words on your sight words today.